na ako ni PJ kanina. How are you feeling? Sabi ko, I'm okay. 5 araw na ako hindi nakakatulog. And that's because I'm excited. And at the same time, maraming salamat for joining us tonight. Napakahirap mga kumita ng pelikula nowadays, pero ito po ang look namin na Kingdom. Hindi po kayo magsisisi. Pare-pareho po namin mapapanood sa unang pagkakataon ng The Kingdom. Sana po mag-enjoy tayo. A blessed and a Merry Christmas. Everyone, thank you. God bless you. Merry Christmas. Ako ay Pilipinas.
Thank you so much once again, Mr. Piolo Pascual, our bossing Vic Soto. Ang tuloy naman natin ang iba nating cast members. Of course, Big Mom and Dog guys. How are you feeling tonight? Sabay-sabay na natin.
Sisid Lucero! Merry Christmas, everyone. Please enjoy The Kingdom.
Thank you guys so much.
Lagi mo kay Rico.
She really says she gets excited.